Hello children, it is a activity page 4 for you, that is for day 2. It is about the multiplication. You know that multiplication is the repeated addition of the numbers. If 2 is added 7 times, you will get 14. Here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 is added 7 times, you will get 14. That is nothing but 2 sevens are 14. So you can take 2 is added 7 times. So that is 2 sevens are 14. Now you multiply all these. Multiply 225 into 5, 153 into 8, 327, 327 into 6, 542 into 7, 279 into 11, 705 into 15, 987 into 24, 450 into 25. Here 225 into 5 means 225 must be added 5 times. So how will you multiply? Here 5 is there. Multiply each digit of 225 by 5. You must know the table of 5 here. 5 5 is a 25. One example I will give you. 2 carry and 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. 1 carry. Then again 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. So then what is the answer? 1125 is the answer. In this way you multiply all these. And you must know the table 11 and also you must know the table 15. But while multiplying 24, if you don't know the table 24, then take 4 and multiply each digit of 987. After that, each digit of 987 by 2. And you know the procedure here. Here 987 into 24 and you take the product of 987 and 4 here. After that you must put plus. Then you take the product of 987 and 2 here. Then you add to get the product of 987 and 24. In this way, you know the method of multiplying the numbers in the previous classes and use that idea and find the product. The second one, find the number of times jumped by a frog to reach a tub. In the first one, 2 steps at a jump. Second one, 3 steps at a jump. And third one, here you take 4 steps at a jump. 4 steps at a jump. Here one example is given. What is that? Here 2 6 are 12. Each time how many steps are jumped here? 2 steps. How many times the frog jumps? If it jumps 2 steps at a time. At a jump it steps 2 steps. It jumps 2 steps at a time. So here you got that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is on 6. So how many steps are there? 12 steps are there. In this way here 3 steps, it is 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps. Find the number of times frog jumped to reach the tub. Here at a time frog jumps 2 in the first case. At a time frog jumps 3 steps. At a time frog jumps 4 steps. And find the total number of steps and how many times the frog is to be jumped to reach a tub. Then you take the next question. Here fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks following pair of boxes by two numbers whose product is 200. Here there are certain numbers. From this set of numbers, select the numbers in such a way that their product is 200. Product is 200. For example, you take 2 into 100. Here you can write 2, here you can write 100. So it is one pair which gives the product 200. Again you take here 40 into 5 you can take. So here you fill up the belongs, making a pair in such a way that their product is equals to 200. Then the fourth question, complete the following table. Here it is a multiplication table. The numbers in the horizontal row are 6, 12, 15, 18, 20, 22, 25. Numbers in the vertical column are 3, 7, 11, 15. And in this box what you have to write? The product of these two. And in this box, product of these two. 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 Again here, product of these two. Then here, the product of these two. Similarly here the product of these two. Next here, product of these two. This way, complete the multiplication table. Complete the multiplication table, that is the multiply the numbers in the horizontal row with the numbers in the vertical column. That completes this activity.